What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a very much needed market update. All right, because the markets right now are going well. I wouldn't say parabolic, but the markets right now are very bullish. They look very bullish. So what we'll do in this video is we'll briefly have a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, see what they're doing. Can we actually trust this? Because overall, I mean, if you look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can see Bitcoin is getting a nice green candle right here, and if you look at Ethereum, it's a little bit weaker, but it's also bullish. There's nothing bearish about Ethereum and well, Bitcoin. You could make the argument that we're just going up to the top again, and that this is the top of the consolidation, so that this we will not break above that. You could say that, but for now, both very bullish. All right. So that's the situation right now. Now, what you should know is that it's the beginning of the week. All right, and it's a holiday in the US and the UK. So the volume is still relatively low. Volume will increase over the next 24 hours. We could still see a reversal, all right? I don't expect it. I think the market right now is bullish, all right? So we're gaining a lot of momentum, open interest right here, both for Bitcoin and Ethereum. But Bitcoin right now is actually doing relatively well. The fundamentals are bullish with the Ethereum ETF, the US president elections, of course, where right now it's starting to become more and more of some sort of a race to drag the crypto communities in, which is quite interesting, but that's obviously bullish for crypto. And then realistically, technically, we're also looking bullish. Bitcoin ETFs, but we already looked at that Saturday, are also bullish. So the market right now is great. Now, what I think is more interesting to take a look at, and which I also think is much more valuable to you, is then to actually tell you some cryptos that I'm looking at right now, and just in general narratives that are performing well, that I think you need to watch. And overall, I would say it's still the same. It's kind of the big narratives, all right? So you see token doing very well. So the RWA narrative in general is one you should keep an eye on, even though token seems to be the only crypto doing well out of that. But meme coins are performing very well as well. So for example, Dog with Hat is one of the cryptos that hasn't rallied that much yet as a meme coin, and is very close to getting some sort of a big breakout right here, out of this level between 3.5 and 3.2. So I would wait for some more confirmation. I think closing here and breaking this level is not enough. But in terms of meme coins, that has a lot of potential. And then you look at some other ones, like you look at Pepe, nothing bearish about that. But there's also Floki is very bullish, Bonk is very bullish, Dogecoin has much more potential here, so those are cryptos you need to watch. And then apart from that, Ethereum beta, once Ethereum actually starts outperforming Bitcoin again, is also something you need to watch. All right, so then we're talking about ENS, we're talking about Athena, we're talking about Arbitrum, which is relatively bullish. All right, so I'm naming a lot of cryptos right now, but these are cryptos you need to watch, I think. All right, so there's that, and then there's also other cryptos, just random cryptos that are performing well. So for example, Aptos is very close to breaking out here. I think that's a breakout I will trust at least and potentially take a trade on. Portal is very close to breaking out here. I think that's time after getting such a long consolidation slash accumulation. I think it's time for that to get some more bullish momentum. Wormhole got a nice spike. So far, it seems to be a sell-off by whales afterwards. AP3 is super bullish. I looked at this earlier this morning. Wanted to buy back then, but did not do it. It's now up 12% from there. And our big friend, Teller or TRB, also is showing some strong momentum again. All right, so there's plenty of cryptos to look at. I would stick to that list for now. There's more you can look at. I'm quickly glancing over my list to see if there's anything more. But for now, I really think that's what you need to focus on, all right? Some other ones, it's hard to say, all right? But those you need to focus on. Markets look bullish for now. Next 24 hours, we could still see a reversal, but it's much more likely that we will see a continuation of these bullish market circumstances. So be ready, all right? That's what I want to. That's what I want you to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.